Hi, I'm Ted from Everything Attachments. We're today with the Construction Attachments skid steer forks. This is a standard universal fork frame that would go on a universal hitch. Could be used on medium or large size farm tractors also. This happens to have the heavy duty tine set that's for 5,500 pounds. The standard set is for 3,000 pounds. Both frames are the same, just the forks changed. So this frame is capable of the 3,000 pound or the 5,000 pound forks. What separates a good fork from a less quality fork, actually the better the material, the smaller the fork will be and the better rating it will have. In other words, our 3,000 pound forks or the 5,500 pound forks have an ITA rating of 3:1. In other words, when you lift a load, all forks are going to bow down just a little bit, but it will take 3 times the amount of the rated load to do what's called a permanent memory bend. Anything less than that, even though they may be sprung way down, they will return to their exact position when the load is removed. Now, what you'll find with a good quality fork, this fork is 4 inches by 1.5 for 5,500 pounds, and the 3,000 pound forks are 4 inches by 1.25. Now, with a cheap Chinese fork or a lesser quality fork, the fork will actually get bigger even though it's not rated any higher because of the quality of the forging and the quality of the material. If you end up with a fork that's 5.25 inches wide and 2 inches thick, to give you the same rating, then it becomes difficult to put it in any type of brick, block, and some pallets. So the better the quality of the fork, and with a true ITA rated fork, you will have a narrower, thinner fork capable of the weight, but just better to get into all the different things you may get into. Now, this is built out of all good steel, so we're able to leave the complete back open here where you can see what you're forking, and we're putting the bars in here vertically so you can see through everywhere instead of like a grate with just perforated holes. Turn this around, Peanut, over here to the side. On this particular set with this heavy duty frame up on top, what holds this main brace is the same piece of metal that goes all the way through the hitch plate, all the way up through the top. Now rotate us around to the back. These forks are the pin type forks. You can lock them in every position here. They're not a floating fork, so you can, once you lock them, you can push things around and so forth with them. They're not going to slide out of the way. And with this design where this single piece goes all the way up through here, and these 2 tubular bars here, just makes it the strongest set of forks I know of on the market, especially for the money. And with all the braces put in this way, you have a full view to be able to see what you're loading. This has extra braces here onto your hitch plate, just making this the best forks I know of for the money from Construction Attachments. And we sell them here at Everything Attachments. Just give us a call or an email and we'll help size and get the right weight, tine rating for your machine and what you're using it for. Just give us a call or an email. We'll be happy to help you.